Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Ahmad Alfa Ashraf bin Osman and my metric number AE200001. Okay, in this video I will present our project, group project for ITC, and the title of this project is PLC programming for process control. So first I have to present the introduction. So in introduction, we have to understand what is the PLC. So PLC is the programmable logic controllers, which is the industrial computer that are used to control and automate manufacturing process. It's allow to control of complex system and process using combination of hardware and software. It's also used to control a wide range of equipment, including motor, pump, valve, sensors, and other devices. Is typically done using ladder logic, which is a graphical programming language that use symbols to represent the logic of the control system. Lastly, PLC programming is an essential part of industrial automation and requires a combination of technical knowledge, attention to detail, and problem solving skill. So we will use this in this project. We will use PLC to solve our problem. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya P. Muhammad Nasri. I'm with the AE200004. Alright, today I would like to explain the output for this project. Okay, the first, the input element is F2 start button, which is X1 clock switch FX, and we have generator and timer. First we have two timers, one timer 2, which is time 20 seconds and 90 seconds. And the delay we have the IR1, IR2, and IR3. Then the output element is we have the output to the cylinder above, which is RS1, and output the cylinder above S2. And we have 7 indicator lamp, so we can determine which is the tank full and the tank empty. For the indicator for solenoid S1, S2, and the float switch. Okay, next we go to the truth table. First, the input device for the truth table for input and output. Okay. First, if the switch X1 is in condition 0 and the float switch is 0, then the signal for S1 and S2 is 0. And the anti-tank is 10 to 1 and the full is 0. While when the switch is 0, the float switch is 1, the solenoid for 1 and 2 is still 0, and the tank empty is 0, and the tank full indicator is 10 to 1. When turn on the switch, only switch, and the switch is 0, then solenoid for S1 will turn to 1, should be 1, and the S2 is 0, and the tank empty is 1, and the tank full is 0. But when we turn on the 2, the input device for switch and float switch, the S1 is 0, and the S2 for 0 second will turn to 0. It's the 0 condition in 130 seconds and 90 seconds, it turn to 1. And for the S2, for the solenoid 2, same, but the 90 seconds is 0. Only 120 seconds, it should be 1. And tank empty for 0 second is 0, and 20 second and 90 second should be 1. And the tank full, the 0 second will turn to 1, same like 120 seconds, but this 90 seconds should be 0.
Hi, my name is Aina Nadira binti Azman with metric number DE210085. I will introduce the safety element in the PLC system. So first one is the alarm system. Alarm system is to provide early warning of abnormal condition. It helps to improve process safety by warning operators of situations that could result in equipment failure. It also can be used to detect fault in sensor and actuators. The second one in maintenance override system or MOS is a feature designed to temporarily bypass or override certain control functions within a system to facilitate maintenance activities. The function is to allow maintenance personnel to perform tasks safely and efficiently without disrupting the normal operating of a system.
Economic aspect. First, construction of a tank initial cost. A major economic factor is the initial cost of the building the fuel storage tank, together with labor and other construction-related costs. This is also cover material costs. Choosing the most economical solution should be a top priority because different measure and tank type have different costs. Second, cost of maintenance and repair. To guarantee fluid storage tanks last a long time and operate at their best, regular maintenance is essential. It is important to evaluate the unkept demand and related expenses during the anticipated lifetime of the tank. Take into account elements like structural checks, corrosion prevention, and coating renewal. Over the time, maintenance expenses may be lowered by making an essential investment in the material and coating. Third, operational throughput and efficiency. Operational expenses are directly impacted by how well field storage and retrieval system function. Account elements like the total throughput capacity, the simplicity of filling and emptying, and the effectiveness of the pump and valve. Purchasing tanks that enable effective operation might result in lower costs and higher output. 4. Compliance with regulation and the environment. Respecting safety guidelines and environmental restriction is essential. The whole financial sustainability of the storage facility may be impacted by the non-compliance, which may also have penalties and legal ramifications. It is important to guarantee that the fuel storage tank is constructed and function in compliance with applicable rules to prevent and unanticipated expenses linked to the fines or corrective action. Last one, insulation and energy efficiency. Keeping the right temperature condition may be required depending on the fuel being held. Ongoing operating expenses can be impacted by making investment in energy efficiency, heating and cooling system, and insulation. The amount of energy needed to maintain ideal fuel condition should be taken into account as well as way to reduce these expenses over time.
Assalam, Assalamualaikum, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Nama saya Abdul Rahman bin Ismail, nombor elektrik DE210069. Okey, untuk lady diagram untuk mini project ni, saya menggunakan software Studio 5000. Okey, untuk software Studio 5000 ni, okay, ini adalah lady diagram kita. So, yang pertama ini adalah start button kita. Saya namakan dia punya SPX1 slot switch. So, bila kita tekan slot switch, dia akan terbuka di sini. So, ada relay. So, bila kita tekan start button ni, so coil ni akan energize. Bila ini energize, so dia akan close contact di sini. So, ia menyebabkan di interlock dan so relay C1 ni akan saya energize untuk open roda S1. Sebab sini pun akan close juga. So, ini adalah untuk flip proses, untuk filling proses lah. Untuk isi liquid fluid ke dalam tank kita. Okay, kemudian, so bila dah penuh, kita punya switch akan trigger lah. Dia akan close di sini. So bila dia close di sini, timer akan start lah selama 120 saat. Bila timer dah start 120 saat, untuk dia akan settle down lah. Dia punya liquid untuk chemical reaction. Okay, kemudian lepas 120 saat, timer akan di-triggered, menyebabkan relay C2 on. Bila relay C2 on, so solenoid S2 akan close. Bila untuk keluarkan air. Dalam masa yang sama, relay C2 ini juga akan aktifkan timer 90 saat. So selepas 90 saat, timer T2 ni dia akan open lah. menyebabkan solenoid S2 ni tidak berfungsi. Untuk kita punya software, alright, ini adalah software kita adalah instrumentation for process control. So projek kita fluid filling process control. Okay, next page. Okay, ni adalah yang saya telah buat. Okay, bila kita tekan start, dia akan warna hijau untuk mana-mana ni dia telah energize. Okay, so bila kita tekan ni release C1 energize, solenoid S1 energize, dan kita akan nampaklah air yang keluar di sini. So sampai bila dah penuh, clock switch ni akan 3. Tapi dekat sini kita akan buat secara manual. Kita akan tekan button ni. Bila clock switch 3, okay, masa akan start lah. Masa akan start. Ini ada 100 di dalam millisecond yang ni, dia original. Okay. Bila ni energize, okay, relay C2 energize, menyebabkan apa ni, ni on, mengeluarkan air, dan timer 90 saat juga akan berfungsi. Okay, cukup 10 saat solenoid S2 off, dan kita ada keluar alarm lah, dan dia beritahu masa dan tarikh. So bila operator mengadikan mesin fluid switch ni, dia akan tahu lah bila fluid cooling phase complete. So kita akan memulai acknowledge alarm ni, kita silentkan. Okay, dah siap. Kemudian okay, kita akan tekan start balik lah untuk start dia punya proses. Okay, terusnya kita ada satu lagi dia punya gambar ajar. Okay, ni juga sama juga, yang ni lebih teliti lah. Okay, so kita akan tekan start button. Bila kita tekan start button, seperti biasa, release C1 energize, solenoid S1 energize. Lepas tu kita akan nampak air akan masuk ke dalam tank. Bila sampai satu tahap dah penuh, clock switch akan 3. Okay, masa selama 120 saat juga akan berjalan. Masa ni seperti yang dalam instruction, dia untuk settle down the chemical reaction. Okay, cukup 120 saat, relay C2 energize, solenoid S2 energize. Tu menyebabkan air tengah keluar selama 90 saat. Okay, cukup 90 saat. Okay, dia tak bergerak dah. Lepas tu kita akan tekan apa ni, acknowledge alarm. Okay, so kita boleh tekan start balik macam biasa. Itu sahaja daripada kumpulan kami. Sekian, terima kasih.